HKBU is delighted to champion the significant global partnership with Studio Wayne McGregor and Hong Kong Ballet, and this reception showcases to the global community our shared commitment to driving innovation, collaboration, and knowledge transfer in the arts and cultural heritage.
Tonight's reception, Pulse of the Pearl, Transcending Avant-Garde with Technology and Knowledge Transfer, is more than just a celebration of an extraordinary new work of art. It is a powerful testament to Hong Kong's creative spirit and its relentless drive to push boundaries, where artistic excellence, technological innovation, and global collaboration converge.
On behalf of Hong Kong Ballet, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to Hong Kong Economic and Trade Office and Fiona for your support, not only for the reception tonight, but also for the generous support of our participation in this remarkable journey.
I think it would be interesting for everyone to just hear a really simple explanation about what the piece is like.
The thing that struck me the most, and it is really the essence of what drives me to work with technology, is that I've been looking for 30-something years to find an equivalent to human three-dimensional presence. How is it that you can interact with a digital object, whatever that object is, as if it were there in front of you, as if you could touch it, as if you could have an intimate reaction and interaction with it, a way in which you can have and express kinesthetic empathy. And for me, that's the most important thing. And I think if I were to describe the project to you, all I would say is that we have found an equivalent, and it will surprise you.
It's basically predicated on a certain technological infrastructure, which is a circular screen that surrounds the audience that is in 3D. So it's a panoramic, stereoscopic, high-resolution projection environment where you can encounter the dancers with a level of intimacy which you would never have, or you have never had not had before.
It's a combination of this live physical presence and a flight of imagination, but that flight of imagination is only the beginning, and it's just one version of the thing that this could become. It is boundaryless.
As Wayne said, it has one particular characteristic. It tends to aim at everything, everywhere, all the time.
Could you share with us, your experience, how to, as a professor in university, how you can transform your research output to something that is really useful and really creating real-world impact?
Our fascination, and I think the fascination of community of artists who are working with technology, is anchored in the first place in a set of artistic ambitions. Yeah. And not just, and it's not a technological fetishism or not a hunger for technology for its own sake. So it comes out of a cultural need. Yeah, I mean, quite honestly, I would say what we are doing is something that needs to happen now.
What do you think Hong Kong's position in transforming art with technology? Anything that we can do?
You have made a commitment to having artists in the middle of the dialogue between technology, science, culture. You've said that culture is important and that you're going to support those kind of projects. That in itself is huge. You've put culture in the same level as academia and as technology, and that is really powerful.